welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this wig that I have installed. She's definitely different. Stick around for more details.
Always dare to dream. Oh.
Today's hair sponsor is Vshow hair. They sent me this 26-inch. It is a platinum gray and black highlight wig. As you guys can see, the highlights are everywhere. And the highlights are actually gorgeous.
Are not always what they seem. Close to total peace. As the pain begins to ease. Not often we can see the beauty in the pain. Not often we can see the value that we gain. Now listen, little one, the wounds will heal in time. I know
I did bleach the knots on my unit off camera, and I pretty much just washed the frontal area. I did want to mention, you guys, like the knots lifted really well on this unit, and as you guys can see, I didn't really have to do much because yeah, it lifted well. I just plucked a bit when I had it on my head, but I noticed that it was pre-plucked, and it was pretty good pre-pluck wig. It didn't need a lot of plucking, but I just wanted to soften that hairline just a little bit. The 26-inch is a very long. I would say this is more like a 30-inch. 32 inches. I don't know what it is, but like I can just tell what the inches are without even measuring it. All right, let's jump into the juicy details. Now, I love the highlights on this unit. It's so different from anything I've tried before, and I know this has been trending for a little while, and I wanted to get my hands on this kind of color wig and show you guys. You know, I like to do some variety over here. I was excited to get the chance to try this unit, but the wig is okay. So I'm not in love with the texture of the straight hair. It definitely feels like Remy hair. Now it is like pretty frizzy, and it is quite thin on the ends. As you guys can see, I feel like it could have been more silkier for my personal preference. I love how the highlights are placed throughout the wig. It's pretty much everywhere. It looks mostly gray with some black pieces. I love how it's ombre from the dark root to the color. I do think like the wig itself is quite big. I would say if you have a lot of hair, this will definitely be big head friendly because there's lots of room in the back. The lace is really nice on this unit. That is my final opinion on this hair. Let me know what you guys think. If you want to check out this wig from Vshow Hair, I'm gonna leave all the information in the description box for you guys. Don't forget to leave a comment and like the video, and be subscribed to my channel. Do random giveaways and turn your notifications on so you don't miss out, and you'll be notified when I drop a new video. Love you guys. I'll catch you in a video real soon. Bye.